Meaning of flotation tank.
Flotation tank.
Flotation tank.
Flotation tank.
Flotation tank. A flotation tank, also known as a sensory deprivation tank or an isolation tank, is a dark, soundproof tank filled with salt water kept at skin temperature. The idea is that the tank's environment will cut off all outside stimuli, allowing individuals to experience a deep sense of relaxation and meditation. The buoyancy of the salt water allows for complete weightlessness, resulting in reduced pressure on the body and mind. People typically use flotation tanks to relieve stress, anxiety, and pain, improve sleep, and achieve a heightened state of self-awareness.